The News Hour Special Edition.
Good evening, hello and welcome. You're watching the special edition of the News Hour. Thanks for being with me. My name is Pranesh Kumar Roy. The Indian National Congress has once again been trapped in its Pak Prem. The blue-eyed boys of the Gandhis, Navjot Singh Sidhu, has called Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan an elder brother who has always given him love. The brotherhood that Mr. Sidhu sees in Imran comes at a time when Pakistan has been spilling Indian blood, not even sparing women and children. Viewers, our braves have been sacrificing their lives in the valley trying to fight back Pak-sponsored terror. But Sidhu will choose to turn a blind eye to this fact. Well, this is not the first time when Sidhu has showcased his love for Imran or Pakistan. When Pakistan's state policy is to bleed India through 1,000 cuts every day, every Indian patriot must be asking, why is Congress embracing Pak and Imran?
I am CEO of Kartarpur, sir. Sir, on behalf of Prime Minister Sahab, Pakistan, very warm. We have been waiting for this day for so long. Yes. Very warm welcome.
Thank you. God bless. Thank you. Thank you. I am honored. I am honored. I do not deserve this,
Sir,
but thank you very much.
And this is not the first instance where Sidhu sang praises of Imran Khan. We've put together his response over the years.
Singh Sidhu is coming out of the Kartarpur corridor. Here you can see Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu is here. We will try and question him as to what he said. Sir, why did you make such a comment, sir, in terms of... We tried to speak to him. We're trying to speak to him now here in terms of his statement. Navjot Singh Sidhu is here now. He's come out of the Kartarpur corridor.
सुना था कि ही इज अ ग्रीक गॉड, पर जब नज़दीक से देखा तो मुझे लगा कि उससे भी कुछ ऊपर हो तो वो था। एक ऐसी चलवाई जुम्बिश थी, एक ऐसी आकर्षित करने वाली शक्ति थी कि पंजाबी में लोग कहते हैं बंदा खड़ा ही रहे, मुंह टड्या दा टड्या ही रहे।
ते प्यार अमन खुशहाली दा रूप बन के मेरा यार दिलदार इमरान खान जी कि जब भी करतारपुर साहब के इस लांघे का इतिहास लिखा जाएगा, खान साहब जब भी इस करतारपुर के लांघे का इतिहास लिखा जाएगा, पहले पन्ने पे, पहले हर्फ पे आपका नाम लिखा जाएगा। पहला वजीर आजम है शेर, बब्बर शेर, जिन्हें नफे नुकसान नहीं देखे और बाबे दा दर निष्काम खोलिया। जिस तरह अग्गां दे ढेरां नूं कोई खा नहीं सकदा, पृथ्वी नूं उच्चा उठा नहीं सकदा, सागरां नूं जिद्दां कोई सुका नहीं सकदा, पर्वत हिमालय जिद्दां कोई हिला नहीं सकदा, सूरज नूं फूका मार बुझा नहीं सकदा, उसे तरह सच बाबे दा सच ते इमरान खान दे एहसान नूं रहंदी कायनात तक आदि अनंत कोई दबा नहीं सकदा, कोई मिटा नहीं सकदा। यारो, कोई दबा नहीं सकदा, कोई मिटा नहीं सकदा। छाती ठोक के कहंदा है सिद्धू।
I am CEO of Kartarpur, sir. Sir, on behalf of Prime Minister Sahab, ऑनर Pakistan, सबकी तरफ से आपको खुशामदीद सर।
मेरा बड़ा भाई,
very warm.
मेरा बड़ा भाई, उसमें बहुत प्यार।
We have been waiting for this day for so long. Yes. Very warm welcome.
Thank you. God bless. Thank you. Thank you. I am honored. I am honored. I do not deserve this,
Sir,
but thank you very much.
And as we speak, breaking inputs coming in, and this is really the face of Pakistan. Reality check for Navjot Singh Sidhu and everyone else who's endorsing Pakistan and Imran Khan. 11-year-old boy sexually assaulted, brutally murdered in Pakistan's Sindh province. This is a horrific piece of news coming our way. An 11-year-old Hindu boy was sexually assaulted and brutally murdered in Sindh province in Pakistan. Will Mr. Sidhu call up Imran Khan, his elder brother, his big brother, Bhaijan, what have you, and condemn this? Let me quickly open this up. Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawala, lawyer, Times Now contributor, Joanne Thakkerwal, leader of the Congress party, and Manasvi Thapar is lawyer, political analyst. Manasvi Thapar, let me begin by asking you, this is the real face of Pakistan, but Mr. Sidhu can't see this.
We can play T20 with Pakistan, that is okay. LK Advani ji can say Jinnah was secular, that is okay. We can have Jadoo Ki Jappi with Nawaz Sharif, that is okay. But Sidhu making a comment on Imran Khan is not okay. The only question what comes to my mind is when did Sidhu become anti-national? When he was in BJP, that time he was a nationalist. After 2017, did he become anti-national? So we know that Pakistan is an incubator of terrorism. This is worldwide fact. But from 1947 till date, all our 14 prime ministers have made sure that we have some kind of peace treaty with Pakistan. From Jawaharlal Nehru to Narendra Modi ji, from eating biryani to having a Jadoo Ki Jappi with Nawaz Sharif. These are all segments to have a peaceful neighborhood. And that is what Atalji always stood for. And that is what, if Navjot Singh Sidhu can be a bridge between India and Pakistan, can be a peaceful, if we can start a peaceful era with India, between the two countries, what is wrong in that? I fail to understand that. And on the contrary, BJP should use him as an ambassador of peace from India
get
to
a response
Pakistan.
from Sanju Verma.
Okay. I heard the other panelists very patiently. I just want to
say one thing. Pranesh, Navjot Singh Sidhu is a repeat offender. Remember in 2018 November, he had not only hugged Kamar Bajwa, he went and sat next to the POK chief. He had, lots of appreciation for Imran Khan. And I remember when Amrinder Singh told him off, and even in recent past, when Sidhu has made pro-Pakistan and anti-India statements and Amrinder Singh criticized him when Amrinder Singh was still very much in Congress, Sidhu had the audacity to say, Mera kaptan ek hi hai, Rahul Gandhi. So Sidhu is not a bridge between India and Pakistan. Sidhu is a bridge between India and the Indian National Congress. And the Indian National Congress actually loves everything that Pakistan stands for. Be it Manishankar Iyer, who went to Pakistan and said, Narendra Modi ko hataiye, hame wapis laiye. Be it Shashi Tharoor, who went to the Karachi Lit Fest and had everything negative to say about India and its handling of COVID. Or be it Salman Khurshid, who apart from making anti-Hindu statements, has always praised the Pakistani deep state. The Congress today stands for everything that India does not stand for. And I just want to say one thing. How is it that Navjot Singh Sidhu brazenly, with blatant impunity, makes these anti-national statements? I'm sure he has the blessings of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra, because you will never see the brothers.
A quick response from you. Okay, Manasvi Thapar, quick response from you, then I'm coming to you, Shehzad.
Pranesh, I'll just take 30 seconds. When Sanjuji says this, that he's a repeated offender, he's making anti-national statements, he's not listening to Captain Amrinder Singh, why is he doing that? So if this particular person who's an anti-nationalist, why is he roaming free? In a democratic country, in a nationalistic country, in a patriotic party like BJP, why aren't you arresting him? Why a offender, a political terrorist as per you is free in this country?
About vendetta politics when the sedition charges are slapped.
No, so you arrest him now.
Let's not trivialize this to a point that, No, let's not do that. Okay, Shehzad, this is not the first time, and we played out that medley of response from Navjot Sidhu. This is not the first time that he's said something like this.
May I, Manasvi?
Don't
Thank
start
you.
whining about vendetta.
1 second now. Can I please have my speech?
Please, Shehzad, go ahead.
Look, Manasvi does not have to waste his lung power and his intellectual capacity to convince Sanju Verma or Pranesh Kumar Roy or Shehzad Sunawala. He can convince Manish Tiwari. We are happy to be convinced by Manasvi, but Manish Tiwari seems to be unconvinced because Manish Tiwari is saying कि पाकिस्तान और इंडिया का ब्रिज ऑफ पीस छोड़ो, ये तो पार्टी का ब्रिज ऑफ पीस नहीं बन सकता. इसको भेज दिया आपने इंडिया पाकिस्तान का ब्रिज ऑफ पीस बनने. Behral, this is not about being a bridge of peace. This is about what Congress party does in its hatred for Narendra Modi. They hate Modi so much that they can go and embrace anybody and anything like China, Pakistan. They can abuse Indian army. They can question Indian army on surgical strikes. They can actually say that Balakot kuch hua nahi, Pulwama Bharat ne karwaya. And they can question every institution in this country. And time and again they have been standing with Pakistan. Manishankar Aiyar went to Pakistan, sought support, was action taken? No, Manishankar Aiyar was promoted. Shashi Tharoor went and cribbed about Indian problems to Pakistan, was action taken on him? No, no action was taken. Rahul Gandhi said 370 pe jo bhi hua, that was taken up by Pakistan on the first page of its dossier. Ghulam Nabi Azad's statement on Indian army was used by Pakistan in its bid to try and malign India. So, this is being given to Pakistan as a handle by Congress party time and again. Now, my last question to Mr. Manasvi Thapar is, ओसामा को इमरान खान बोलते हैं मार्टर और भाईजान, और सिद्धू इमरान को बोलते हैं भाईजान, तो अब तीनों में क्या रिश्ता बन गया, आप समझ रहे हो मानसवी?
मैं जवाब दूं? प्रणेश, कैन आई रिस्पॉन्ड?
प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड टू दैट।
मनीष तिवारी को दो, मनीष तिवारी को
शहजाद आप बोलिए, मैं बोलूं?
वो भी एमपी, आप भी
लेट हिम रेस्पॉन्ड नाउ। शहजाद, लेट हिम रेस्पॉन्ड।
या See, it has been termed that Congress is anti-national, Congress is Pakistan. The first war between India and Pakistan took place in 1947, 1948. That was fought and Pakistan brutally lost. Second war was fought in 1965. That also Pakistan lost. 1971 में 2 टुकड़े कर दिए पाकिस्तान के. That also happened during the Congress regime. So how a particular political party जो बार-बार पाकिस्तान को हराती है, वो पाकिस्तान के साथ कैसे? जब फ्रेंडली रिलेशनशिप बनाने की बात होती है, तो अटल जी ने भी कोशिश की थी, नेहरू जी ने भी कोशिश की थी, और मोदी जी भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एंड दैट इज स्टेट्समैनशिप. जब सिद्धू जी कोई अच्छा स्टेटमेंट दे देते हैं अपने पड़ोसी देश के लिए, तो दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लमेटिक थिंग फॉर बीजेपी. इफ द सेम Sidhu would have been in BJP, the same statement would have been given, that would have been the biggest nationalistic statement.
This is a false equivalence. Pranesh, I need to come in, please. Please stop drawing.
So now the question is, you don't like the person, you don't like the party.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi went and hugged Nawaz Sharif.
You have japnis with the Nawaz Sharifs. That's okay. You have biryani with Nawaz Sharif. That's okay.
You had your say.
One second. Let me get some order here. You are saying that if Mr. Modi did was wrong, Manasvi, why is Mr. Sidhu going? Because Mr. Modi did something. Is that the reason Mr. Sidhu is going? Is that your argument, Manasvi?
शहजाद, no, my argument is मोदी जी ने भी सही किया था और सिद्धू भी सही कर रहा है. Your argument is कि सिद्धू ने गलत किया था पर मोदी जी ने सही किया था. संजू जी से
Pranesh, I just want to say one thing. As Shehzad pointed out, look at Manish Tiwari's tweet. I don't hold a brief for Manish Tiwari, but still, perhaps there are a few sane voices within the Congress who have completely castigated and condemned what Sidhu has to say. You have Pakistan crossing the LOC at times, dropping arms, drones, bombs, killing our people, and Sidhu has the impunity to say, "Ye mere bade bhai hain." I think what Amrinder Singh said a couple of months back about Sidhu holds true. This guy is schizophrenic, he's unstable, he's incompetent. Charanjit Channi इनके छोटे भाई हैं, इमरान खान इनके बड़े भाई हैं. ये भाईजान के बीच में Sidhu does not know whether he's coming or he's going.
No, but where is the question, Joanne Thakkarwal? The question is, where is so much love coming from?
He's a loose cannon.
Question is,
condemned unequivocally.
They've been playing cricket for a long time. They have been sharing the same field. Prime Minister Imran Khan's association with Navjot Singh Sidhu or Navjot Singh Sidhu ji's association with Prime Minister Imran Khan is not up to date. So if you are trying to put it in a light and saying that वो अभी भाई उनको बड़े भाई बोल रहे हैं, वो इस दर्जे से बोल रहे हैं कि वो इकट्ठे they've played cricket together, they've shared the field together, and I think he shares similar sentiments for players and cricketers from other countries as well, whether it's Australia or something.
Should Mr. Sidhu not share similar sentiments about our soldiers?
When you talk about,
no, is Sidhu not aware about what is going on? क्या बैट और बॉल चल रहा है क्या? जम्मू कश्मीर में what is going on, ma'am? Is this cricket? No, 1 minute. You are not answering the question. That's the fundamental question that you'll have to answer. What's behind this?
you
the
do that
cricket
every time.
camaraderie one can
Now
understand,
the
but
thing is,
Sidhu as an
Prime Minister
Indian
Imran Khan
must also
he did
put his
not
point
want-
across
he did not
that
want to
please,
upset about Pakistan.
elder brother
And now
Imran,
you're
Bhaijan
saying
Imran,
there are two
stop
different
exporting
things.
terror.
Pakistan
How
as a
difficult is
country,
that?
I do not support Pakistan. I do not respect Pakistan, and I am not a supporter of Pakistan. in any
Shehzad,
form.
how
But
difficult
Imran
it
Khan
is
a human being,
for Mr.
and when he
Sidhu
talks,
to say this, stop exporting terror.
Look, exactly. The point is that if Sidhu does claim to have such great relations with Imran Khan, did he once tell Imran Khan, look into his eyes and tell him that, Mr. Imran Khan, your people, your soldiers, your army, your rogue army and your terrorists are killing my people, and therefore, even though you extend goodness and graciousness to me, I do not accept it because people back home are grieving. Can he go to a soldier's house and tell the martyr's wife that ye mera bhaijan hai? Point number one. Point number two, Mr. Channi also went. चन्नी जी को अच्छे रिश्ते नहीं बनाने, उन्होंने तो किसी को भाईजान नहीं बोला मनस्वी। केवल ये सिद्धू को क्यों चुल रहती है कि भाई मैं जाकर इमरान को बोल दूं एक बार भाईजान, फिर मैं बाजवा को थोड़ा हक कर लूं, फिर मैं बोलूं जीवे जीवे पाकिस्तान। ये सिद्धू को क्यों सिर्फ चुल है? ये सिद्धू को इसलिए चुल है क्योंकि राहुल का पुल है, राहुल का पुल, सिद्धू का चुल। मनीष तिवारी कह रहे हैं, मैं नहीं कह रहा।
Why is this happening?
Pranesh, may I make a point, please?
Yeah, sure. That you'll have to
Okay,
answer.
Pranesh.
Ms. Thakarwal, why is it happening? You'll have to answer that. Yes, Sanju Verma.
Pranesh, do you remember as recently as August 2021, Malvinder Singh Mali and Pyare Lal Garg, these were the two advisors to Navjot Singh Sidhu. They had to resign. Why? Because they said that Kashmir is a separate country and Kashmir belongs to Pakistan, and Sidhu did not bat an eyelid. It was when there was huge outrage in national media owing to compulsions. Sidhu asked his advisors to resign. जिस आर्मी के एडवाइजर्स बोलते हैं कि कश्मीर भारत का टुकड़ा नहीं पर पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा है, ऐसे आदमी को यहाँ पर आकर लोग डिफेंड करते हैं, and then they try to draw a false equivalence between Sidhu and Prime Minister Modi. Shame on you. Stop being a hypocrite.
Okay, Manasvi Thapad, how would you respond to that?
If truth is hypocrisy, then let it be. And BJP is giving lots of certificates
So you
these
support
days
Kashmir
from
as a separate country? You
अभी
support
मैं बोलूंगा कि
Kashmir as a
आपको मेरा ही
separate
बोलना है।
country?
Okay, let him have his say. Sanju Verma, you've asked him a question. Hear his response now.
Pranesh, just because they are in power, they would not want any kind of dissenting voices. But
No,
this
no,
is
please,
democracy.
please
This
have
is
your
not
say.
Sanju Kesi.
Please have your say.
This is not Sanju Kesi. This is democracy. She can
Stop playing
abuse.
the
She can say
victim.
whatever she has to. So let her speak that. If she's, it's going to be a monologue. Let's not have a debate. If she's only going to speak and
No, please have your say. Manasvi Thapad. Sanju Verma, calm down, ma'am, calm down. You've asked him a question. He's responding.
Mute her, Feder. I'm okay with it. We can have a Sanju Verma show. That's completely okay. And she
Manasvi Thapad, now come on, make your point, Sanju. Please, she's not speaking.
Yeah. So, since 2014, what have happened is patriotism certificates are coming from Kamalam. All the nationalistic certificates these guys are giving us to the country. So that is not the case. That is not how democracy functions. And that is why we love this constitution and we love this democracy. Is why? Because you have the right to dissent. While they were dissenting, they were considered the biggest nationalists of this country. While people on the other side now started dissenting, they start to interfere them and they would want to block the dissent. That is not how democracies would function. When you say Jinnah is secular, LK Advani ji said that that was a nationalistic statement. When Atal ji thought of having a Kartarpur corridor, that was a nationalistic sentiment. When Modi ji did a Jappi with Nawaz Sharif, that was a nationalistic sentiment because that is what the ideas of Atal ji was. To have
But Manasvi Thapad, what's wrong if first you said this government does not want peace. The Prime Minister takes an initiative, gives peace a chance, gives Pakistan a chance. Look what Pak did. Look what they did in Uri, Pulwama.
Then also we, yeah.
But over the last 3 weeks, do you know the number of people who've died? And I'm not counting our braves. Just the innocent civilians in Jammu and Kashmir.
Pranesh, do you know the number of people have died since 1947 and all our 14 prime ministers have made
That's precisely, Manasvi Thapad, that's precisely
so
one must measure.
Then
also that's precisely,
with Pakistan,
but that's the point I'm coming to, which is why Mr. Sidhu should be responsible, more restrained.
And what about the government's responsibility, Pranesh? Why are
Shehzad,
we having any kind of business with
Shehzad has a
Pakistan?
point.
Why are we playing games with Pakistan?
Let me
okay.
speak, Manasvi, on this point. See, many governments in the past have attempted to broker peace with Pakistan. Mr. Vajpayee's government, Mr. Modi's government, Mr. Manmohan Singh's government, Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri's government. Pakistan, whenever it showed its true colors, Mr. Lal Bahadur Shastri or Mr. Modi or Mr. Vajpayee showed them their place. After Uri, we did the surgical strike. After Pulwama, we did the Balakot airstrike. But after 26/11, unfortunately, we did not even take away the MFN status. This is the difference between the governmental response. Forget that. I am saying, Sir Manasvi Thapar, you are a good, decent human being. Would you call Imran your bhai? Would you call Imran your bhai? If something is not good for Manasvi, how can it be good for somebody who's a state president of Punjab Congress? Are Manasvi, look at your face. You're embarrassed to call Imran your bhai. But Sidhu is going on Pakistan soil.
No, let's give him a chance. Let's hear from Manasvi Thapar. Manasvi, if not Bada Bhai, will you call Imran your Chota Bhai or something else? Or distant brother?
मेरा भाई नहीं है, पर अगर मोदी जी ने नवाज के साथ जप्फी डाली है तो क्या वो सही है? तो आर वी सेइंग मोदी जी की नवाज की जप्फी गलत थी? आर वी सेइंग दैट? और उससे पहले पाकिस्तान ने अटैक नहीं किया था, आर वी सेइंग दैट?
Mr. Sanju Verma, Miss Sanju Verma, okay, 1 minute. Mr. Thapar, calm down. Now let's get a response from Miss Sanju Verma.
Okay. You know, Pranesh, these people will keep talking about the fact that Prime Minister Modi ne Nawaz Sharif ko jhappi di thi. This is the same bunch, Rahul Gandhi and company and the likes of Manasvi Thapar. This is the same bunch which doubted the surgical strike of 2016. This is the same Rahul Gandhi who had spoken about Poon ki dalali and criticizing the Indian army. This is the same bunch which doubted the veracity of the Balakot strike. Rahul Gandhi even made a shameful statement that Pulwama attack happened perhaps because BJP wanted to win Lok Sabha 2019. So Manasvi Thapar is the last person who should come here and lecture on foreign politics, real politics, propriety or morality. जाकर पहले राहुल गांधी
And let's not look too far. Look what the Congress has done, what Sidhu has done to Captain Amrinder Singh, who's a great patriot. Captain Amrinder was ridiculed. Here Imran Khan is being eulogized. We leave it at that. We are completely out of time. I thank all of you for joining us on debate number 1.